Protesting against alleged high-handedness of the Manipur Motor Vehicles Department, members of Moray Van Service Yaiskul Moirangkhom has launched an indefinite hunger strike today, seizing passenger service. The Drivers Association has also warned of imposing an indefinite ban on Imphal-Moray Road, National Highway No. 2, in case the Motor Vehicle Department does not fulfill their demands by Thursday. Stepping up action to protect the infestation of the maize by fall army worm, the Manipur Agriculture Department has constituted 3 action teams to combat the spread of the devastating pest in the agricultural fields. Officials said the teams shall visit the infested district of Chandel, Churachandpur, Imphal West and Thoubal with effect from Thursday, along with the imamectin benzoate, a kind of pesticide recommended by Ministry of Agriculture, Farmer Welfare, Department of Agriculture Corporation, Plant Protection 1. The 69th anniversary of the Naga plebiscite will be celebrated on May 16 at the peace camp of Chedema near Kohima, Nagaland. Commemorated annually by the Naga National Council, the event is expected the presence of NNC veterans and sympathizers. The Left Front in Tripura has expressed dissatisfaction over the Election Commission's order of repoll in only 168 booths among the 1,679 total polling stations under West Tripura Parliamentary Constituency. Convener Bizan Dhar said that the voters of entire West Tripura seat were disappointed over the ECI decision. 5 people were killed today in a major fire that engulfed a well-known sari shop in Pune. The fire was reported at around 5 am when the workers were asleep in a room above the shop located in the Devachi Urli area on the outskirts of the city, media reports said. A federal American commission will vote today on a proposal to ban China Mobile from entering the American market. Iran said that it has stopped respecting limits on its nuclear activities agreed under a 2015 deal with major powers until they find a way to bypass renewed US sanctions. Iran's Supreme National Security Council said that it no longer considered itself bound by the agreed restrictions on stocks of enriched uranium and heavy water.